The Cath suprapubic positioning adapter. What you see here is a functional display of what actually occurs within the patient's body with a suprapubic bladder when using just an ordinary urinary, urethral, or Foley catheter for its drainage. Now I'll start by pointing out the portions or segments of the model. The first part being patient's skin and the outside of the patient's body. Next, the transparent segment being the stomal tunnel, and the body of the glass being the bladder itself. And then, as you'll see, as with every insertion, the catheter is intentionally pulled taut to purposefully position the balloon in its ideal and most optimally functioning position, which A, creates a physical barrier to any leakage around the catheter and its balloon to the outside of the body, and B, this closure, in effect, seals the bladder, preventing outside organisms from gaining access to the patient's bladder and the patient proper. For the first part of this demonstration, just ignore the SupraCath disc and notice that using the urethral or Foley cath alone, anytime the catheter or the catheter's tubing is moved or repositioned, so does the catheter within the body. This movement places minute amounts of forces up the tubing and the indwelling cath and its balloon, and consequently makes the catheter as a whole inevitably dislodge and fall out of its correct and proper positioning. Now, with the SupraCath positioning adapter, here, it doesn't matter how much the catheter or drainage bag is moved. There is no movement of catheter within the patient, maintaining the seal with optimal functioning positioning. Quite a difference that translates to all-around, game-changing world of difference for the patient. The SupraCath suprapubic positioning adapter. Finally, the suprapubic solution.